So we're at our anniversary staycation spot, and yes, the hubby encouraged me to bring my sewing machine, which shocked me because I really wasn't thinking about bringing it, but he encouraged me to do so, and kind of glad I did because I'm working on the bra top from Simplicity S9894, and I really needed to get that finished. I put in a zipper that did not separate and it wouldn't go on my body. So I needed to get that zipper changed out. So we headed out for lunch to a place called Derby's, and I really like this little spot because it started out as a warehouse where people were just storing their cars, and someone had the bright idea to add a restaurant onto it. Now you can take a guided tour through the part where they keep the cars. I like this because that's a bicycle holding this table up. Now, yes, there were some people in there taking the tours, and my husband and I wanted to, but by the time we finished dinner, it was, gonna be too late. My husband ordered the chicken parmesan, and I got the nachos, and I told the waiter that I would get the chicken parmesan later, but he did warn me that the nachos were massive. And where is the lie? Like, these nachos were to die for. The guacamole had me saying, oh my God, every time I took a bite. And hubby swore he'd never eat guacamole because number one, it's green, but he enjoyed this. So I did get my top completed and it is fitting flawlessly. Really liking how it came out. Very excited because I've never made a bra top quite like this before.
Okay, so we're on our anniversary getaway. So I just finished getting myself together. He told me we had a reservation, so I didn't want to make us late. So he encouraged me to bring my sewing machine along, which was great because I needed to finish working on some stuff. So I went ahead and got ready first. That way I can just sit and sew and I don't have to worry about rushing when it's time to go. He got us up on a high floor, so we have an excellent view of Dallas. We're not quite downtown, but we're very close. So I did bring my sewing stuff. I've set up over here my little area. Even have my sewing bag. And I did finish Simplicity 9894, but I'll show you more of that later. I had to fix the zipper, so I did make sure that I brought this along with me. So this is where we are, this is what we're doing. Y'all, last night kicked it off like just right. It was wonderful. All the food we had yesterday was amazing. It was good. I've had the best guacamole I've ever had in my life. But I talked about that yesterday, so I'm not gonna talk about it again today. But let's just say I woke up thinking about those nachos and that guacamole. I got to show y'all the outfit.
And y'all, I thought I was about to finish this top, but guess what?
You have got to be kidding me. Where are the sleeves? How you know she said that? When did you learn Spanish?
But since I had no sleeves, I just went ahead and finished as much of this as I could before we headed out to meet friends for dinner. And then we met friends for dinner at St. Rocco's New York Italian. The food here was different but good. I'm a picky eater, so I stuck with what I know, chicken Alfredo. We ordered the fried mozzarella balls as appetizers, and they were so delicious. The sauce that they are in is like a thin but thick marinara sauce. Now afterwards, we finished the night off with a night of dancing. So this is our final night of our staycation, and we're about to head out for some dinner. We've let it get a little bit late, so hopefully we can find something open and something good. Trying to find outfits, and my husband, he's so patient. Because I think I changed clothes like 3 times. Now this little place right dead in the middle of downtown is called the Beehive. The ambiance in this place was so relaxing, cozy. It was just really nice. It's called Beehive Lounge. And yes, it has a lounge vibe. I got this burger because I hadn't had one the whole time. And it came with this special sauce, and usually I'm so picky, I just say no sauce when something has special sauce, but it was good. And my husband, I didn't even get to take a picture before he devoured this salmon. It was good, can you tell? This ended our food experience for our staycation. This was our last night, April 20th, our actual anniversary, and it has been such a delight.